So Ms. Tommey, when I'm watching the video and I watch the one mom whose child died of SIDS, describing her SID support group, and every parent was talking about the vaccine. And my guess is none of their doctors talked about a vaccine. They just called it SIDS. When the other woman, the last woman whose child died, and the doctor was asking about the vaccines, when she asked the doctor, would you put that in writing? The doctor said, no. In your testimony, you said when you went to your doctor talking about how your child, how Bill was having seizures, well, that's perfectly normal. That's common. I mean, I find that jaw-dropping.
Yeah, and it's the same story over and over again. And in fact, it is common.
That's what I want to ask you.
Because it's on the insert of the MMR vaccination, on the insert in bold letters, the seizure. So it is common. The pharmaceutical company have told us in the insert. It's the pediatricians that don't tell us what could happen to our children. They're the front line for us with our babies, and we trust them.
By the way, what is the truth? Because I hear back and forth. I mean, do pediatricians get incentivized with percent vaccination of their...
Yes, Dr. Paul Thomas has done a very good video on that, and many other pediatricians have followed. Maybe Dr. Hooker could answer better on that.
Yeah, they're typically incentivized directly by HMOs. HMOs buy and sell vaccines, so vaccines are big businesses for HMOs. But the incentivization is usually anywhere from $200 to $600 per fully vaccinated patient, as long as their vaccines, a certain percentage of their practice is fully vaccinated. So some pediatricians can make upwards to $1 million or more a year just in those incentives.
I've also heard stories of pediatricians basically firing patients because they won't get vaccinated, because that
is correct.
We hear that story over and over again. And also the lies that the pediatrician tell us that our baby will die if we don't get vitamin K at birth. The baby will bleed out before it gets to the car. And these stories, if you don't get the HPV vaccine, then you will die of cancer. These parents have told us these stories, and they're the same over and over again. How can they get away with lying like that to us, the parents?